Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment. As part of this assignment, you need to use the operators, that is pipe operator and OR operator, for solving these challenges that I have mentioned here. To solve these two challenges, you need to have the understanding of how to use the pipe operator and OR operator, which I have already explained in the previous session. Now let me explain this assignment to you. To solve these two challenges, you need to go to this register account page of this application. Let me take you there. You need to open the browser and type tutorials.ninja.com/demo. This application page URL that you need to go. And on this application, you need to go to which page? Register account page. To go to the register account page, you need to click on my account and then select register option. Now you are on the register account page. Now on this page, you need to solve these two challenges with the help of this pipe operator and OR operator. So what is the first challenge? We need to, or you need to write a single relative XPath expression. Okay, you need to write a single relative XPath expression which can locate both the search box field and search button. So here on this application page, you can see a search box field. Along with that, you can see a search button. Now you need to write a single relative XPath expression for locating the search box field. Along with that, it should also locate the same relative XPath expression should locate the search button. That is the first challenge. Second challenge here is you need to write a single relative XPath expression using which you need to locate the first name field and last name field on the same application page. So on this same register account page, here you can see the first name field and last name field. Now you need to write a single relative XPath expression which can locate both this first name field and last name field together. Okay. So that's what is the assignment, guys. To solve this assignment, don't forget to use a pipe operator and OR operators. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.